doing a very special video, and this is my first video as the subscribers champion. And so yeah, today, no, it's actually my second. But yeah, today I'm going to do another figure unboxing. And yeah, let's see what figure I'm going to be unboxing today. Picked him up from Toys R Us.
Are you ready? Hey, think you can tell us what to do?
That's right, it's another network spotlight. And yeah, Hunter Hearst Helmsley. Let's crack him open.
You can tell me what to do. You know who you're talking to.
And yeah, this is in case you didn't know, this is old Triple H. So his name back then used to be Hunter Hearst Helmsley, and that's why it's called Triple H, because it's Hunter Hearst Helmsley. 3 H's, Triple H. Do you get it? LOL. Oh yeah, so yeah, look at his face. Yeah, he's got very long hair with ribbons in it. Shut your bike up! Yeah, he comes with a little cane with a horse's head on it for some reason. A nice red coat. Take off the coat. See what's underneath. Oh yeah, he's elite. Just cool. He's got a little bit of red inside his trunk. And then he's Triple H, basically. No, he's not Triple H, he's Hunter Hearst Helmsley. Yeah, and as we always do on the unboxings, Triple H, well, Hunter Hearst Helmsley is going to close the video, and because I don't know how to do a Hunter Hearst Helmsley impression, he's just going to do a Triple H voice, so, yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and please comment and subscribe and see our Hitman. We'll see you in his next video. Peace out.